Snow showers continue to fall in at least parts of the area. Some of those here around the studio in northwest Rochester. We have some wet pavement to show for it and very scattered little pockets of accumulation. But a lot of that has melted, especially on treated surfaces, and anything that has been relatively warm recently. And even the paved areas here on the weather patio are just a little wet right now. We've had about a quarter-inch of snow. A lot of that melting, though, even as we speak. Temperatures slightly below freezing, though, as we look southward with our Lewiston auto camera. Snow showers edging their way north and eastward. The back edge of this will make its way in over the next hour or two. We'll still see a couple of flakes here and there, and beyond this there will be some sprinkles at times, at least until the mid-morning hours. Then things will gradually dry out and the bulk of the day looks halfway decent and a little bit warmer than yesterday. We only managed a high of 32 officially on Monday. Today we're not far from that right now. It's 31 to start the day here on the weather patio. The wind's very light, so the wind chill matches that air temperature right now with a couple of light snow showers falling from the sky. It's 30 degrees at the Rochester Airport, Dodge Center 28, Northwood 30, and 32 degrees in Decorah. Light coating of snow. Sees just some wet pavement and little pockets of snow here and there. Looking down at ground level to the south from South Broadway. This is live from our Lewiston auto camera. 30 right now. Feels like 24. The wind's only 6 miles per hour. That's about as strong as it'll be today. Very light winds in store for us, at least until maybe early in the afternoon. Winds pick up just a little bit beyond that, but for the most part, fairly tranquil day. We'll get rid of these snow showers here by mid-morning, but still they're edging their way eastward into central Wisconsin from Wausau up toward Rhinelander and up toward eventually the UP of Michigan. But for us, it's going to be a couple of snow showers here for a couple of hours until about 7 or 8 o'clock with this very minor accumulation. Then again, until about 10, maybe 10:30, a couple of sprinkles and wet snowflakes will be possible as this little disturbance moves on through. This is a little spoke of energy associated with an area of low pressure south of us. Bigger storm system bringing rain to the plains down toward Kansas and Missouri, eventually Illinois, but all that will skirt the area to our south. What we're looking at today is just a couple of pockets of snow showers and sprinkles and high-res future track all the way through the mid-morning hours, about 10:30, 11 o'clock maybe at the latest, and then we'll dry things out. And if we're lucky, late in the afternoon, it does look like we will see at least some breaks of sunshine. And if St. Patrick's Day holds true, I think we will be at least fairly lucky in that regard. 30 right now in Rochester, 33 in Waterloo, north and westward, 20s to around 30, Morris 28, 31 in Duluth. Gray skies, some rain and snow showers this morning. Breaks of sunshine very late in the day. I do think we'll see some clearing in time for sunset tonight. And they'll have some sunshine off and on tomorrow and tons of sun Friday and for a big chunk of the upcoming weekend. Now 32 for that morning commute, maybe a couple of slick patches here and there with that rain and snow activity during the commute. But then we see things taper off by late morning. Drier skies this afternoon. 39 by around 3 o'clock. Overall high temperature today right around 40, and then we'll edge our way slowly back into the low 30s for the overnight period. So future track looking at that wintry mixture of snow and then a couple of pockets of rain. Larger batch of rain staying well south of us. That storm system cruising out of the east will dry things out. Some breaks of sunshine just before sunset this evening, and then off and on the clouds and stars tonight, and some breaks of sunshine through much of tomorrow. Even more sunshine by the time we get to Friday. High pressure nudges its way in for the north. We'll have light winds, plenty of sunshine on Friday. Daytime temperatures by then around 50, and from there we'll have southerly winds and even more sun for Saturday. There is a chance of rain by late Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening. And then early next week does look rather unsettled. Rain Monday, Tuesday, perhaps even next Wednesday with the same storm system. One that'll take perhaps 3, maybe 3.5 days to move on through it. Despite that, these temperatures look pretty mild, those 50s for the weekend and into next week, even with that upcoming storm system that brings some unsettled weather in the long term. Today, 40 in Rochester, 41 in Austin, 41 in Decorah. Some rain and snow showers. Just a thin coating. We've had a quarter-inch, maybe a tenth of an inch on top of that, but slush in some spots as well. 40 this afternoon with maybe a break in the clouds late in the day and a happy leprechaun dancing downtown. 31 tonight, partly cloudy skies, a brisk northeast breeze. In the 7-day forecast, some sun tomorrow, even more sun Friday. Beyond that, 50s become the rule. You were worried they would never come back, but there they do come back, and it does look like we have a lot of spring still ahead of us in the forecast.
Little morning snow not stopping the leprechaun from dancing his jig.
It's his day. He's happy.
Yeah, he sure